What's up, everyone? It's your boy, James Orlando, here to talk about one of the most terrifying things you could face: a sinking car. I mean, imagine cruising along, singing your favorite tune, then BAM! You're in a real-life action movie. Don't worry, I got you covered with tips to survive, and of course, a few laughs to keep the panic away. Step 1, stay calm and act fast. First rule, don't panic. Easier said than done, right? But seriously, freaking out won't help. You've got 30 seconds to 2 minutes before the car is fully underwater. That's enough time to act like a hero in your own blockbuster. Step 2, forget your phone, roll down the window. Don't even think about calling 911 yet. Use that time to get the windows down. Power windows can work for a bit underwater, but manual windows? Old school cranking for the win. If the windows won't budge, move to step 3. Step 3, break the glass like a boss. No, your fists won't cut it unless you're The Rock. Use a headrest or a car escape tool, one of those little hammers. Pro tip, hit the corners of the window. It's like finding the car's weak spot in a video game. Step 4, get everyone out, starting with kids. Unbuckle everyone and get the kids out first. Push them through the window before you. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, even in a sinking car. Step 5, swim to safety. Once you're out, don't just float there like a movie extra. Swim away from the car because it can create suction as it sinks. Find the shore or something to hold on to. So that's it. 5 steps to get out of a sinking car and live to tell the tale. Add a glass-breaking tool to your glove box. Practice staying calm. Meditate, maybe? And remember, safety first, comedy second. Hit that like button if you learned something, subscribe for more life-saving tips, and hey, don't forget to laugh through life. It's better that way.